Today, I'm going to do an unboxing of the GeekGear World of Wizardry monthly subscription box for January 2018. Okay, so they told us last month that they were going to do a revamp on the boxes, and I have to say, this is really, really cute. They made it like Newt Scamander's case, and then on each side, there are the scarves of the different houses sticking out, and it says, not approved, or no muggles allowed, and then it's got the Niffler's little hands there, so this is super cute. Really excited to get into this and see what they've got, because they said there was going to be some handmade items in this one, so I'm a little curious to see what they did with that. So let's go ahead and get in there. And just as a reminder, you're able to pick what house you belong to, so that any house-related items will be in your house. So, as always, they do the color tissue paper to your house, and I'm a Ravenclaw, so mine is blue, and I really like that they got their own tissue paper that says World of Wizardry. That's cool. So, one of the things we always get with these is a t-shirt, and I love their t-shirts. They are super comfortable, they wash up really well, they're always really neat designs. So, it looks like this month we got Newt Scamander, and it's got a whole bunch of his beasts in the background. And it's black. It's really cute. I love black shirts, so this will definitely be one I wear quite frequently. Okay, so it looks like one of the homemade items is a bath bomb. So let's see, we've got House Artesian Bath Bomb, and it looks like it's got the 4 houses represented. So let me go ahead and open this up. So yeah, I would assume mine is a Ravenclaw, so based off blue wrapping, I would say I was correct. Oh, nice. It's got a blue and purpley color. It smells really good. It's almost like a blue raspberry type scent. So that's really neat. And let's see what this is. Oh, it looks like we got a candle. And it is a house candle, and because I'm Ravenclaw, it is the blue one. It's really pretty, and it's blueberry. And it says handmade with love. Let me just open this up. Oh, not the easiest candle to open. There we go. Oh, yep, that's a really nice blueberry scent. So that's kind of cool. And it looks like we got a poster, and this says it's a GeekGear exclusive. Let's see. Ooh, it looks like patches almost, like embroidered patches. And it looks like it's all of the houses and the Hogwarts crest. That's really cool. I like that a lot. Okay, and it looks like we have another handmade item. So it's a handmade artesian cushion cover. So I'm assuming that they call cushion covers pillow covers, or pillow covers cushion covers over in the UK. So I'm thinking that this is like a pillow form case. There we go. Oh, neat. It's a Ravenclaw design, and it says Wisdom. That's really neat. I like that it's black, and then it's got the pops of the blue and the teal. It's really sharp. And yep, it looks like this will just fit over a square pillow form. So that's really neat. Oh, and we got a pin. And I always like their pins. They're really cool. So this one is Spew. So I love Hermione's Spew. I feel like it was something that shouldn't have been left out of the movies, but I digress. And it looks like... Oh, it looks like they had a contest, and I do remember reading something about this. They had a contest for pin entries, so all of the pins that you could have gotten this month were created by GeekGear subscribers. So it looks like there was a Sorting Hat, the Spew, and then the Luna, and the Spew is rare. That Sorting Hat was the common one, and then it looks like the Luna one was ultra rare. So I love that I got the Spew one. I love that. It's awesome. Oh, and as promised, they added some more recipes to our binder that they gave us last month. So it looks like we have Magical Butterscotch Cheesecake, so I'm sure that'll taste like butterbeer. That's exciting. And then the Weasley Family Breakfast. So it looks like it's got the potatoes, sausage, bacon, etc. Kind of looks like something you'd find in a English restaurant. I've not actually been to England, but that does look like a traditional English breakfast. So that's exciting. And I'll put this aside. And it looks like we got a piece of art. We always get a piece of art in this, and I love their art pieces. And this one is Expecto Patronum, and it looks like it's written on like a spellbook page. Like it almost looks like somebody had like doodled on a spellbook page and done the Patronus of Harry's stag. So that's very cool. And that is a GeekGear exclusive as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the little pamphlet that talks about this month. So, like I said, there was the competition pin, and we got the Spew one. And then there was the house cushion cover, so whichever house you would have selected, that is the cover you would have gotten for the pillowcase. And then this month's cookbook recipes. And then the house candles, so again, that would have been based on whatever house you had selected. The poster. And then the Expecto Patronum print. So it looks like there were two different options. You could have gotten it with the blue Patronus or the red, and I got the red one. So, all right. And then the house bath bombs. Looks like the bath bombs looked a little different in their photo than what they actually were in real life, but still, it's a bath bomb, which is super exciting, and it's not something you keep forever. You throw it in your bath and use it and enjoy it and move on. And the Newt Scamander t-shirt. Ooh, it looks like it glows in the dark, so I will definitely show you guys what that looks like as well. Very cool. So it looks like there are some more prizes that you can win this month by using some different hashtags and things on social media. And next month's box hint is the Quibbler. So that is super exciting because I love the crazy quirkiness of the Quibbler, and I can't wait for that. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.